triangle trend indicators for NinjaTrader on 2/18/2015 on the ES4 Renko. Since the ES really isn't doing that much this morning, here it is right up here, I decided to show you a little technique that can be helpful. Now this is a volume chart. The lower chart here is a volume chart of the ES. And this blue indicator down here is my random walk oscillator. And these lines and dots are put in by Tyler Moore's free divergence indicator. And the random walk oscillator is a very good divergence indicator. And then if you apply the divergence indicator to that random walk oscillator, you get some interesting results here. And generally speaking, it's fairly much agreed that volume precedes price. So I have set the crosshairs on these two charts on the global crosshair position. So if I move the one on the lower chart, the one on the upper chart automatically moves. And you can see this little dot here that appeared on the volume chart comes in right as the equity starts up on the ES Renko chart. Now the interesting thing about this is when I move the indicator over here to this first red dot that appears on the volume chart, you can see that the Renko chart has seemed to pretty much hit a peak here. And this gives you a good clue when you look at the volume chart that the up move is ending right in here. Now there's another red dot comes in here, and on this chart the crosshairs stay on the same bar here. Then we get the volume going down a little bit here. It still stays on the same bar, comes up here, and then when we get this other red dot in here, then the Renko bar moves down to this point right here, and the swing cycle is already moving down right over here, whereas you can see on the Renko chart up here, the swing cycle just has a little bit of a notch in it right here, but hasn't started to move down yet. So if you look at the volume chart on the ES, it can often give you a clue as to what's going to happen on the Renko chart that's shown above the volume chart right in here. So it can be very helpful to use the global crosshairs and to confirm what's happening with the Renko chart with what's happening on the volume chart using the random walk oscillator and Tyler Moore's divergence indicator.